Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and close a Google account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, first go ahead, access your Google account and tap on this manage your Google account option. Now simply swipe to this option called data and privacy. Now scroll down, and for the instance, if you want to delete a particular service only, then you can go to this option called delete a Google service and delete a particular Google service that is active. If you simply want to delete account, then go ahead, scroll down in this more options section and tap on this delete your Google account option. And now for the instance, it will be good for you to simply download your data because that will be easier for you if it's worth it. If it does not, then simply go ahead, leave it and scroll down to the bottom till you find this kind of interface. Go ahead, check on it, both of the boxes, and tap on delete account, which is just given here in this light blue color. Once you have tapped on it, you will get a confirmation. Go ahead do it. Once you have confirmed it, you will be able to delete your Google account just like that over here. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.